Hey everyone, welcome to the video. Today, I want to introduce you to a fantastic tool that's going to help you supercharge your online marketing and lead generation efforts, Try Lead Pages. If you're looking to create landing pages that not only look great but also drive real results, then you're in the right place. Now, landing pages are one of the most important aspects of any marketing campaign. Whether you're launching a new product, running a special promotion, or simply collecting leads, the landing page is often the first interaction a potential customer has with your brand. And we all know first impressions matter, right? That's where Try Lead Pages comes in. This tool allows you to easily build stunning, high-performance landing pages without any technical knowledge. You don't need to be a web designer or a coding expert to create something that looks professional and polished. With Try Lead Pages, it's all about simplicity and functionality. The link for Lead Pages is right in the description of this video. One of the standout features of Try Lead Pages is its drag-and-drop editor. You can literally drag elements onto your page and place them exactly where you want them. It's intuitive, fast, and flexible, giving you full control over the design and layout of your page. Whether you're creating a simple lead capture form or a complex multi-section landing page, you can customize everything to suit your brand's needs. But it's not just about how the page looks, it's about how it performs. Try Lead Pages is optimized for conversions, meaning every page you build is designed to maximize your chances of turning visitors into leads, customers, or subscribers. And with built-in tools for A/B testing, you can fine-tune your pages and make sure you're always getting the best results possible. Another great thing about Try Lead Pages is its variety of templates. You don't have to start from scratch, you can choose from a wide range of pre-designed templates that are ready to go, so you can hit the ground running. And these templates aren't just designed to look good, they're also built to perform. Each template is created with conversion optimization in mind, ensuring your landing page works as hard as possible for your business. Plus, Try Lead Pages integrate seamlessly with other tools you're already using, such as email marketing services, CRMs, and analytics platforms. So, you can easily capture leads, send follow-up emails, and track how well your pages are performing, all in one place. But what really sets Try Lead Pages apart from other landing page builders is the level of customer support they offer. If you ever run into a problem or need help, their team is always available to assist you. They also have a ton of educational resources, including tutorials and guides, to help you get the most out of the platform. Now, if you're ready to take your landing pages to the next level, all you need to do is click the link in the description of this video. You'll find the link to Try Lead Pages, and I highly recommend checking it out. It's an incredible tool that can help you create powerful landing pages that drive results, all while saving you time and effort. So, if you want to improve your lead generation, increase conversions, and create stunning landing pages, make sure you check out Try Lead Pages. Again, the link is right in the description, so don't miss out on this opportunity to supercharge your online marketing efforts today. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more awesome tips and tools to help you grow your online business.